What up, gang? Day 4. Cranking on the TC. You can't tell, it's hot out here, man. I've been wrenching for a couple hours already. And the homie Alome just came through. Y'all hit him up on Instagram, Alome 2JDM. I'm gonna leave that little text in there somewhere. But yeah, I've been wrenching out on the TC already for the past couple hours, man. And it's almost time to get it pulled out. That's what I got. Intake manifold out, rear motor mount out, side motor mount out, like really out, which is right here. It sits like this on the TC with this stud on the bottom, so pretty much I had to get underneath the wheel well and put that freaking all of these extensions on. I had a stupid long ass extendo just to crank that out, all right here. But taking this out made it so much easier to do everything else. Got that out. Only problem is now, since the engine dropped like that, I'm having issues with taking the oil pump off of the block. I mean the power steering pump off of the block. I got one bolt off. This one's backed out already, but it keeps hitting the frame of the engine bay. So I feel like what we're gonna try to do is throw the leveler on, jack it up, tilt it this way so I can ease that bolt out. Go ahead and remove the driver's side mount as well after we throw the chains on, and then try to get it out like that. There's plenty of room over here to maneuver, and I think we might be able to take it out real soon. So I'm probably gonna end up putting y'all on a time lapse, man, and cross them fingers we get this thing out and I can get everything transferred over. Oh, and another thing is I got some good news. I didn't tell y'all in the last vlog, I did purchase a brand new set of axles, but then I got a call from the homie, which we got our donor engine from right there, and the donor car back there. He told me that his axles on that car was about a couple months old, so pretty much like a couple months driven on. So I'm gonna take a look at them, make sure they're not fucked up or anything, but I'm pretty sure they're real brand new anyways. And with that being said, you might be able to slap everything on, put the fluids in, button it up, axles, maybe able to crank it up first start today, who knows. And I can return those axles, save me $130 and put it towards a battery, I guess. Shit, goddamn, my bad, bro. Fuck, cool. Fuck out of me, man. I said, watch out, bro. You scared me, man. That's what I thought earlier. Oh, that nigga went over here. Oh, then bro, watch your head, bro. I was lifting that shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, stay home, man. Don't go work. Yeah. Take a vacation. Man, fuck this. Gotta tell these motherfuckers right now who want a fucking blown motor. Come pick this shit up, man. The head's still good. Transmission's fucking flawless.
Just need a block.
Just need a fucking block, man.
Block, that's it.
Shit.
Victory!
Victory, baby. Alright, gang. You see it behind me? We got this fucking engine out, man. Fuck this engine. Straight up, bro. Man, it was so fucking complicated the way they had this shit set up, bro. You pretty much gotta break down the whole fucking block just to get this shit out, bro. Now I can give you an actual walkthrough what gave me issues.
Take a close up.
What'd you say that shit look like?
Coronavirus.
Oh shit. Bruh, I was telling y'all, man, on the first vlog before I took this car out, man. Look at all them fucking spider eggs, man. Fuck that shit. Alright, for one, axle. did not want to come out whatsoever, bro. All right, but it don't matter. This transmission is still good. If anybody's in the market for a Scion TC transmission, still good. Will not come with a starter. We need that. This is actually what the rod went through the block, and I told y'all in my last vlog, the piece of the rod is right here, chilling. Still there. All right. Let me see what else gave us issues. The harness, man, was tucked right in between the intake manifold, and it goes just like this. So you didn't have a choice but to get rid of the intake manifold just to get the fucking harness out. On top of that, there's a 10mm bolt right here, right here, right here, a clip right here, a clip right here, and a 10mm bolt right here, just to get the fucking harness off, man. All right. Had to take the fucking passenger side motor mount off. Had to take the power steering pump off. Okay. Fucking stupid. All right. What else? Had to take the alternator off just to get to this fucking bolt. I've seen people do it without doing that, but I just couldn't see how. So I had to take the fucking alternator off for that shit. The exhaust manifold and the S pipe, had to get to, take all that off just to get to the axle, the driver's side, passenger side axle, my bad. All right. But all in all, it took us about 12 minutes to pull it. We had issues with the driver's side mount. It kept bumping right here, even leveled out all the way, leaning like this. It was a bitch. Firewall right here. Some of the coolant lines, the hard lines over here. Other than that, man, we pretty golden, man. All we gotta do is transfer all my good shit from here, put it over there, pressure wash both engine bay and engine, and we good to go, man. Thanks to my brothers right here. Shit, we got it, man. Finna be on the road soon with this motherfucker. Y'all stay tuned. Oh yeah, one more thing, man. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Hit up my boy Alome IGJDM on Instagram and his YouTube at 10mm. It's gonna be kind of hard to search for because he just got started too. But if y'all look through my comments on my vlogs, you're gonna see 10mm. Give him a subscribe, man. Check out his vlogs. All right? We trying to get it too, man. We need all the support we can get, all right? We here to stay. Y'all ready for that?